The Galaxy S25 hype train is officially picking up steam. We've already seen leaked renders teasing what Samsung's next flagship could look like, but things just got way more interesting. A hands-on video, allegedly showing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, has surfaced online. Now, before you get too excited, it's most likely a prototype and not the final product, but still, this is huge. The video first popped up on Reddit with the title Galaxy S24 Ultra definitely. However, the phone in the clip has rounded corners, a departure from the sharp edges of the S24 Ultra. This has led many, including reliable leakers like Ice Universe and at CHUNVN888, to speculate that it's actually the S25 Ultra. And honestly, it makes sense. This device screams Ultra with its quad camera setup, yes, including laser autofocus. But here's the kicker. The design. It sports flat edges and curved corners, which feel like a mashup of the iPhone 16 and Google Pixel 9. Rumor has it, Samsung might adopt this style across the S25 series. Why? Who knows? But hey, at least you won't have sharp corners trying to stab your palm anymore. Now, sharp-eyed fans noticed the phone in the video does not have the camera rings seen in recent dummy unit leaks. Android police suggest this could be because it's a prototype, or maybe those dummy units aren't entirely accurate. Either way, it's too soon to call this the final design. Sadly, the clip is short and does not show much beyond the hardware. We did not get a glimpse of the software, which is not surprising since One UI 7 likely won't launch until the Galaxy S25 does. So, for now, what Samsung next-gen UI brings to the table is anyone's guess. Rumor has it that Galaxy Unpacked will go down on January 23, 2025. That's just a couple of months away, but until then, leaks like this will have to tide us over. Keep an eye on our Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra hubs for all the latest updates, because if the leaks keep coming like this, you won't want to miss a thing.